Cassowary. Casuarius is a genus of birds in the order Casuariiformes, whose members are the cassowaries. It is classified as a ratite, flightless bird without a keel on its sternum bone, and is native to the tropical forests of New Guinea, Papua New Guinea and Indonesia, Aru Islands, and northeastern Australia. 3 species are extant. The most common, the southern cassowary, is the third tallest and second heaviest living bird, smaller only than the ostrich and emu. The other 2 species are represented by the northern cassowary and the dwarf cassowary. A 4th but extinct species is represented by the pygmy cassowary. Cassowaries feed mainly on fruit, although all species are truly omnivorous and take a range of other plant foods, including shoots and grass seeds, in addition to fungi, invertebrates, and small vertebrates. Cassowaries are very wary of humans, but if provoked, they are capable of inflicting serious, even fatal, injuries to both dogs and people. The cassowary has often been labeled the world's most dangerous bird. Description: typically, all cassowaries are shy birds that are found in the deep forest. They are adept at disappearing long before a human knows they were there. The southern cassowary of the far north Queensland rainforests is not well studied, and the northern and dwarf cassowaries even less so. Females are larger and more brightly colored than the males. Adult southern cassowaries are 1.5 to 1.8 meters tall, although some females may reach 2 meters, and weigh 58.5 kilograms. All cassowaries' feathers consist of a shaft and loose barbules. They do not have rectrices, tail feathers, or a preen gland. Cassowaries have small wings with 5 or 6 large remiges. These are reduced to stiff, keratinous quills, resembling porcupine quills, with no barbs. The furcula and coracoid are degenerate, and their palatal bones and sphenoid bones touch each other. These, along with their wedge-shaped body, are thought to be adaptations to ward off vines, thorns, and saw-edged leaves, allowing them to run quickly through the rainforest. Cassowaries have 3-toed feet with sharp claws. The second toe, the inner one in the medial position, sports a dagger-like claw that may be 125 mm long. This claw is particularly fearsome, since cassowaries sometimes kick humans and other animals with their powerful legs. Cassowaries can run at up to 50 km/h through the dense forest and can jump up to 1.5 meters. They are good swimmers, crossing wide rivers and swimming in the sea. Several functions for the casque have been proposed. One is that they are a secondary sexual characteristic. Other suggested functions include being used to batter through underbrush, as a weapon in dominance disputes, or for pushing aside leaf litter during foraging. The latter 3 are disputed by biologist Andrew Mack, whose personal observation suggests that the casque amplifies deep sounds. Earlier research indicates the birds lower their heads when running, full tilt through the vegetation, brushing saplings aside and occasionally careening into small trees. The casque would help protect the skull from such collisions. Cassowaries eat fallen fruit, and consequently spend much time under trees where seeds the size of golf balls or larger fall from heights up to 30 meters. The wedge-shaped casque may protect the head by deflecting falling fruit. The casques also may play a role in either sound reception or acoustic communication. This is related to a discovery that at least the dwarf cassowary and southern cassowary produce very low-frequency sounds, which may aid in communication in dense rainforest. The boom vocalization that cassowaries produce is the lowest frequency bird call known, and is at the lower limit of human hearing. A cooling function for the very similar casques of guineafowl has been proposed. The average lifespan of wild cassowaries is believed to be about 40 to 50 years. Thanks for watching.